Ayubowan, hello everyone. We warmly welcome you to this afternoon for a significant occasion as innovative and change-making minds have come together. The fuel crisis is a global challenge since the recent past, and at present Sri Lanka is going through the same, which has disrupted many sectors, including tourism, which is a key revenue-generating source for Sri Lankan economy. For a foreign tourist visiting Sri Lanka and going on a tuk-tuk ride is one to be ticked off from their bucket list. Due to the global incidents we witness, which disrupts the global economy and the limited availability of non-renewable energy sources such as coal, oil and natural gas, it is a global challenge to fulfill the growing demand for energy, and a sustainable solution is crucial. But for innovative minds, it's different. As Steve Jobs once said, innovation is the ability to see change as an opportunity, not a threat. It's imagining to see the future and filling in the gaps. And that's exactly why we are here this afternoon. Today we are marking the collaboration where innovative minds have come together to bring a sustainable solution to two massive problems Sri Lanka is facing. We are graced by the presence of the President of the Association for Sri Lanka, China Social and Cultural Cooperation, Mr. Indrananda Besekara, and he warmly welcomes our Chinese delegation to Sri Lanka from Chingchi Group Jiangmen Guangzhou Motorcycle Company Limited of China, Mr. Wu Rongye, General Manager, Mr. Ling Jiangbin, Chief Engineer, Mr. Jie Shuliang, Engineer, representing the Chingchi Group Jiangmen Guangzhou Motorcycle Company Limited, China, and veteran journalist from China, Mr. Huan, Chairman of APMG Chinese News. We warmly welcome you all. To tell us more about this collaboration and formally welcome you for this occasion, we have a distinguished personality who brought these innovative minds together. Ladies and gentlemen, please join me in welcoming Mr. Indrananda Besekara, President of the Association for Sri Lanka China Social and Cultural Cooperation, to address you.
I am the mediator to link Interline Group, Mr. Huang, and also our Chinese company. And Mr. Huang is a great friend of Sri Lanka, and always he is trying to introduce some new innovations, technology, some exchanges to Sri Lankan people and Sri Lankan government to benefit of Sri Lanka, and also to seek win-win cooperation between Sri Lanka and China. And I think this delegation, very important delegation, came to Sri Lanka with Mr. Huang's idea. First, I would like to thank Mr. Huang to initiated the delegation to come here, and also Mr. Hanafi, the chairman of Interline Group, to join with this important event, especially the new innovations and new creations to Sri Lankan economy and industries. So I think this project will help to Sri Lanka to come over for this crisis, and also to introduce very effective and very excellent technology. Mr. Wang and Mr. Hanafi did very fruitful discussions with them and exchange ideas about the feasibility of this project. And I think all will be very successful with your arrival here. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Mr. Indrananda Besekara, President of the Association for Sri Lanka China Social and Cultural Cooperation, for addressing the gathering here. Now, we are witnessing a massive collaboration of two significant companies from Sri Lanka and China. These companies have invested in many fields and ventures. They are reputed and renowned globally. Understanding the fuel crisis Sri Lanka is currently facing, the Interland Group, a reputed Sri Lankan company renowned in the construction and gem industry, extended an invitation to China to introduce the hybrid solution for motorbikes and three-wheelers. Further to the invitation, the Association for Sri Lanka-China Social and Cultural Cooperation introduced the renowned and ideal company to extend their expertise in this area. As introduced by Jingji Group Jiangmen Guangzhou Motorcycle Company Limited, China, they have specially developed the technology of transforming fuel vehicles into electrical vehicles for South and Southeast Asian countries so that the tuk-tuk car can be converted from the current fuel state to the electric state, achieve seamless docking and transformation. The final output ensures the modified product not only restrains the original driving habits, but also achieves the goals of economy, efficiency, practicality, environmental protection, safety and comfort. After several years of road tests, it has stable and mature functions, good balance, faster speed and corresponding increase in mileage. To hear more about this project, we are graced by the delegation representing the Jingji Group Jiangmen Guangzhou Motorcycle Company Limited, China. And I take pleasure in inviting the General Manager of Jingji Group Jiangmen Guangzhou Motorcycle Company Limited, Mr. Wu Rongye, to address the gathering.
中国跟斯里兰卡是有着深厚的友谊，非常高兴今天来到美丽的斯里兰卡，也很高兴跟斯里兰卡的企业进行商谈、进行合作。在应对气候变化方面，中国在实现自身发展的同时，愿同众多发展中国家享受发展的机遇和发展的成果。我们公司很早就进行了电动发动机转换方面的研究，研发生产新理念的电动摩托车方面，我们取得了非常丰厚的成果，也形成了非常丰富的产品系列，为加深两国文化、经济等方面的交流合作，做出我们企业的贡献。
And now we have our special guest, Mr. Nuan Shamit Vijayasundara, Special Representative from the Opposition Leader's Office and the National Organizer of the Opposition Youth Front.
I think it's very timely because, as you know, Sri Lanka went through a huge fuel crisis and still we are struggling to find relevant monies to pay these fuel. So we should get more people involved and more people coming in from different countries, especially from China, helping Sri Lankan companies to convert. And as you know, there's about, I think if I'm not mistaken, 1.5 million tuk-tuks. And daily right now they're getting only 5 liters, which is not enough. So converting these tuk-tuks to electric is timely because, as you know, Europe is by 2030 they are moving into electric vehicles. I think Norway is, 90% of their vehicles are electric, so we shouldn't fall behind. So we should make sure these things happen fast because, as you know, Sri Lanka is very, when it comes to certain things, we lag. We take time to, getting to move on with futuristic things. So I think we are already too late, so might as well start now and get it going. So I think getting these companies down into Sri Lanka and getting Sri Lankan companies to have a JV or whatever they can do to get these things going is a good thing. I think it's a positive thing, and I think China should get more companies down to venture with our local companies.
for a new era. Green energy for the new era. Ayubovan. Hello everyone. On behalf of Interline Group, we warmly welcome you for the 2-day live demonstration of the hybrid solution for bikes and three-wheelers. We are witnessing a collaboration of innovative and change-making minds. And we take great pleasure in inviting our special guests for today. We warmly welcome our Chinese delegation to Sri Lanka from Qingxi Group, Jiangmen Guangzhou Motorcycle Company Limited. Please explain to us if the hybrid conversion is possible on bikes and three-wheelers.
燃油车改为电动车，这是在我们公司来讲，这是一个比较成熟的一个技术，并且是在不改变车辆的结构和这个舒适性的基础上，我们进行改装，安全性会更好，我们的改动不会有问题。
Now, what are the benefits in converting the bikes and three-wheelers into fully conversion and hybrid conversion?
燃油改成电动之后，它第一会更环保，第二会更舒适，低音更低，第三会更经济，更省钱，第四它不会有燃油危机的焦虑，第五它会有更好的舒适性，第六它的动力、扭矩跟瞬间的爆发力会更强。
Mr. Wu, now how will the mileage improve after the full conversion and the hybrid conversion on bikes and three-wheelers?
改定为电动之后，续航里程大概是150公里。如果是油电混合的话，它的续航里程会增加1倍。
Mr. Wu, now what is the cost of converting bikes and three-wheelers into fully electric and hybrid?
转为电动之后，成本大概是$1000。如果是油电混合的话，在纯电动的基础上，大概要增加50%的价格。
How is the energy saving and what is the lifetime of a charge?
电池充满电一次大概是6到8个小时。
What is the cost of charging and how long does it take to charge?
目前全世界都在由汽油改为电动，这个是必然的趋势。目前电动的相对于燃油机只有好处没有坏处。
Mr. Wu, now we spoke about all the positive and the advantages of these conversions. Maybe you know if there are any shortcomings, any disadvantages, and that we must be aware about.
以斯里兰卡现在的油价跟电价来比较的话，每行驶100公里大概会省$2.5左右。